Step 1. Installation. To install AudaEnterpriseGold, please insert the USB key included in your installation pack. Once inserted, you will need to open the USB key and double-click to run through the setup file installer. The combined installer screen shows both components required to run AudaEnterpriseGold. To install, simply click on the software and follow the on-screen prompts. When complete, click on the link for Data and follow the on-screen prompts. The data may take several minutes to install. The installer will show green ticks next to the software and data when the system is updated.